Hi everyone, this is Ivy again and welcome to Science Simply Explained. For today's video, we are going to show how to use Excel in performing basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So supposing this is our data table. So first we are going to do addition, and there are 3 ways, or I would say 4 ways to do it, and just do whatever works for you. The very first one, the easier one, is of course to highlight this or put the cursor there because you're going to want to add 1 and 2. So you put the cursor there and then click auto sum, and then it will automatically highlight your data and then hit enter. That's the first one. The second one would be you can highlight your data right here, and then you can just click auto sum. Here it will automatically show your answer, which is 6. Next is this one when you do it manually. So how you do it is just always put an equal sign every time you do mathematical operations, and then you can just highlight this or click on that, and then of course shift plus for addition, and then click this and then hit enter. Another way to do it is if you're comfortable doing parentheses, so you put equal sign as always, and then open parentheses, highlight that or click that, and then click number 8 and then parentheses and hit enter. Easiest way to do it is highlight this and then auto sum, and then you have your answer. So that's how you do addition. And then subtraction, basically it will be the same, however you just change the operation. So as you can see here, we don't have auto subtraction, right? So what you can do is, well, you can do it manually by doing the same thing. So just put equal sign and then highlight that, and then of course subtraction, and then highlight the other one and then enter. Do it again. So you're going to do equal, highlight that, subtraction, and then enter. Easy as that. You can also do parentheses if you like. Addition, equal sign, and then this, subtraction, and then that, enter. One more time. Equal sign, minus 5, enter. So multiplication, same way. Always put an equal sign. There are 2 ways to do it. You can do highlight 1 and then you use your asterisk, and then 2, hit enter. If you try to do parentheses for all, it will result like this and hit enter. So it's an error. So what you can do is you put equal sign and then parentheses and then parentheses and then your asterisk and then another one, parentheses, and then hit enter. But the easier way to do it is just that times that equals. And then you have another one here. We have this times this, enter. Then you have equal sign always, 5, parenthesis, 10, enter. So there you go. Here we have, of course, equal sign, and then our first data, and then our division sign like that, and our second data, and then enter. Alright, so equal sign, oops. So equal sign, that one, divided by 4, enter. Okay, another one, we have equal sign, 60 divided by 6, enter. Equal sign, 70 divided by 8, enter. Equal sign, 90 divided by 10, enter. Or you can also use this trick. So say for example, you just perform the first one, and then what you're going to do is just put your cursor there, and this little square right here, you are going to drag that going to the last data, and then you will have the answers. That means you are copying the equation that you did here. And here, your equation was you subtracted, right? So get that little square right there, and then you're gonna drag down to the bottom and just check if your answers are correct. So looking at it, they're all correct. So say you don't have answers here, we're gonna drag this like that. And we see that our answers are all correct. So look at these answers. So what you're going to do is, let's see here, you don't have answers for that yet. And then you're going to drag that going to the last data. And then you have your answers there. So that's a trick. There you have it. So it's really easy to use Excel in doing basic mathematical operations. So if this video has been helpful, give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is a brand new channel, so please support me so I can support you better. Thanks everyone and have a great day. God bless you all. Bye-bye.